Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Tahsin Akbar and you are watching Pakistan Current Affairs. Today we will talk about Russia to sign new multi-billion dollars S-400 missile defense system contract with leading Islamic country. A high-ranking Russian military figure says Moscow plans to sign a new contract with Turkey to supply new batteries of the advanced Russian-made S-400 missile defense systems to Turkey in the first half of 2020. We hope that in the first half of 2020 we will sign contract documents. However, I want to emphasize that military technical cooperation with Turkey is not limited to the supply of S-400s. We have big plans ahead. Russia's RIA Novosti news agency quoted the chief executive of Russia's state-owned arms trade company Rosoboronexport, Aleksandr Mikheev, as saying on Tuesday, Press TV has reported. He went on to say that Ankara has an option for another S-400 regiment, and has already received the terms of reference from Moscow. Mikheev noted that the terms of reference provide for the technical support of the project by the Turkish side, including partial localization of the production of individual elements of the system. He, however, stopped short of providing any information about what elements and in what volumes would be manufactured in Turkey. Mikheev also said Russia and Turkey were discussing the financial side of the new agreement. The remarks come only 2 days after Turkish media outlets reported that Turkey was set to test its S-400 missile defense system despite repeated warnings from Washington that it could lead to sanctions. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.